Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can disable permissions of any app like camera in Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the settings app, go to app management, go to app list, click on the app you want to disallow the permissions like camera. Then you have to click on the permissions. You can see this option and here you can see the camera. Click on the camera and there are three options: allow only while using the app, ask every time. When you just open the particular app, it asks every times of permissions. Click on the disallow, you can see, and it not ask the camera permissions. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.